Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here with the official demo video for PR Scribe. Now with this platform, we have made it possible for anyone to finally be able to use the power of press releases to rank on the first page of Google quickly without the usual complicated process, expensive fees, and without having to do any of the work yourself. Yes, you heard that right. This is our new, done for you AI press release writer and distribution service that will allow you to get free buyer traffic from the search engines by allowing you to rank your sites or your client sites on the first page of Google. So regardless if you're building affiliate niche sites, pay-per-call niche sites, client sites, or whatever it is that you are looking to rank on the first page of Google, in case you are not aware, leveraging press releases is one of the main ways that top SEO marketers use to actually get those first page rankings. Now, for the longest time, press releases have been reserved mostly for people that have big budgets, all right, because they're really expensive and they also take a lot of time, and there's a bunch of hurdles that you have to jump through to actually make them work. But like I mentioned, with PR Scribe, we have eliminated all of that, and we have leveled the playing field so that anyone can use the power of press releases to get fast page one rankings. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into this and show you exactly how it works. So all you have to do is come here to press releases, hit this plus sign here up top, and we have two options. We have interactive mode. This is for those of you that do want to be a little bit in more control of the process. So if I click on this option, you'll see that you fill out the information here, which is pretty much telling our platform what product, service, or business it is that you're looking to promote. And then it'll take that and write the press release for you. However, with our interactive mode, you'll be able to choose. It'll write multiple headlines for you, and then you'll choose from those headlines. Then it'll write a lead paragraph for you, and if you're not happy with that lead paragraph, then you can have it write another one until you are happy with the result. Then it'll write the body for you, and you can sit there and pick the one that you want. Again, if you're not happy with what it writes initially, you can have it rewrite it again, and then you review the process and you are done. So this is a little bit more interactive, which is why it's called the interactive mode. Now our other option is the auto mode. This is a little bit more streamlined, and it pretty much does all the work for you. So the first option here is to select your language. So you can come in here and have press releases written for you in any language that you want. I'm going to go ahead and put English. The company name, I'm going to go ahead and put my company name as an example. All right, so I went ahead and just paused the video and completed filling this out, which took me about 20 seconds to do so. And pretty much, like I mentioned, you just put the language, the company name, the product name or service that you are promoting, the short description of that service, all right, the style or the tone that you want, the location, the reason, which is what this product or service actually does, and then the contact information down here. Now, if you did want to include some quotes, okay, you can add them one by one down here. All right, you just click add quote, and you can add multiple quotes for your press release. Once you're done filling this out, which is what's going to take you the longest amount of time, which is pretty much telling our platform what you want it to write the press release about. And again, it took me about 20 seconds to complete that process. All you have to do is hit create. And now the press release is actually being written for you, all by artificial intelligence. And you can see it happening in real time right here on the screen. And it usually takes about 30 to 90 seconds for this process to complete. All right, and there you go. This press release has been completed, and let's go ahead and read some of this now so you can see how high of quality this press release is. All right, so let's go ahead and read the headline. Get ahead in the digital landscapes with PR Scribe, the cutting-edge press release platform by Samurai Mastermind Group Incorporated. So Miami, Florida, this is how usual press releases start. The company name. A Miami-based company is proud to announce the launch of their revolutionary press release platform, PR Scribe. This cutting-edge tool takes the stress out of writing press releases and maximizes online visibility, ultimately leading to increased targeted traffic. With PR Scribe, businesses no longer have to spend hours crafting press releases from scratch. The platform generates high-quality press releases, saving users valuable time and resources. By utilizing advanced algorithms and industry expertise, PR Scribe ensures that every press release is crafted to perfection, capturing the attention of both readers and search engines. However, PR Scribe is not just a writing service. The platform takes it a step further by strategically distributing press releases to a network of high-quality websites. This ensures that businesses get fast page one rankings on Google, leading to an increased visibility and credibility in their respective niches. All right. So great press release. I'm going to stop right there so we don't waste too much time reading all of it. You can pause this video right now if you want to finish reading the rest of it. But as you can see, exactly as the press release says, all right, PR Scribe writes your press releases for you in a matter of seconds. And we will go ahead and distribute it from this point forward. So I'm going to go ahead and exit out of here and then come here to this distribute button. And what this is going to allow me to do is to add my actual links. So I can go ahead and hyperlink PR Scribe. Okay. And obviously for ranking purposes, you will want to hyperlink the keywords that you want to rank for. All right. So we are allowed to have one more link here. So we can do learn more about PR Scribe here. And then here we can probably link to another page that we're looking to rank for. So we'll do page number 1 as an example. All right. So you always want to have, again, not only linking from your keyword to whichever page you are wanting to rank for, but again, you can have a secondary link in here for a secondary keyword if you're trying to rank multiple pages on your niche site. Okay. And then here you can set up your schedule as well if you do want your press release to be dripped out. All right, you have that option to do so. And you also have the ability to choose how many websites you want that press release to be distributed on. Okay, we will have a maximum of 10 high quality sites for you to choose this number from. All right, and if you do pick up our upgrade offer, that option does extend even more. Okay. But from this point forward, all you have to do once you add your links, once you set your schedule, and once you pick the number of sites that you want your press release published to, all you have to do is hit start distribution, and that is it. This press release now has been written and is going to start being distributed based on the schedule that I set here in the next few days, because I did put for it to be drip fed over 5 days. All right, so that's it. That's how powerful it is to come in here and leverage the power of press releases to rank on the first page of Google. You no longer have to worry about the expensive fees, because when it comes to going out there and doing it without PR Scribe, you're easily looking at $100 to $200 to hire a professional press release writer, because it does take a very special skill to write press releases. You're looking at about a 1 to 2 week turnaround time to just get the press release back. And that doesn't account for any back and forth that you may have with the writer. And you're looking at another $100 to $300 just for distribution, and about 3 to 7 days for that press release to even be approved for distribution on another platform. Okay. And this is just talking about one press release. All right. With PR Scribe, as you just saw me do, we have completely changed how press releases work, and we have leveled the playing field to make it easy for anyone to use the power of press releases whenever they want to get some page one rankings. All right. And as you saw with our platform, our AI writes your press releases for you, and you can immediately send it to our distribution network right away and choose your schedule. All right. No complication, no hurdles, no expensive fees. And you're getting a heck of a deal right now during our initial launch. So go ahead, go below this video, check out all the other features, check out the bonuses, check out the special offer, and we look forward to hearing about your success using PR Scribe.